Hi everyone, welcome to CAPSA. Today we will know about Cochineal or the Carmine Red Color, which is very popular color in the food and drug industry. Okay, so it is mainly obtained from an insect, dried insect. Okay, the insect name is Dactylopius, Coccus or Coccus cacti. When the female insect gets matured with their eggs and larvae, they are dried, and from these dried insects, the colorant carmine red color is produced. So this insect belongs to the family Coccidae and the order is Hemiptera. Geographical sources means where these insects grows. Okay, so these are Central America, Mexico, Caribbean island, Canary Island, Algeria. Among these, Central America and Mexico are the indigenous places. Okay, means here naturally they grow. But in Caribbean island and Canary Island, for the commercial purpose, they are harvested in these areas. Okay, now what are the host trees? It means in which trees these type of insects grow. So these type of trees are Noppalia, Cochineal and Opuntia ficantha. Okay, they are actually cultured from their eggs, and collection occurs when the female insects get mature. Okay, so this female insect actually get matured. This type of insects actually matured as a male and female insects. Okay, so the male insects are of 1 millimeter in length. So male are 1 millimeter in length and female are 2 millimeter in length. Okay, and male have wings, but females does not have any wings. So it has wings, but female does not have wings, means without wings. Okay, so after a time of fecundation takes place, females attach themselves to the nopal trees or this kind of host trees by their proboscis, and males then die. Female insects grow faster and become twice of their size. You need to keep in mind that the larva mature in about 14 days. So the larva mature in 14 days. Then they are collected by using a brush. Okay. After the collection, these insects are killed by using hot water, heat, or by exposure to sulfur fumes or charcoal. This kind of killing procedures are used. If heat is used, the color of the insects become purplish black and they are called as black grain. So black grain produced when heat is used to kill the insect. Silver grain is produced when we use fume. Okay, and their color is purplish grey color, and small immature insects and larvae are separated by using sieves that are known as Granella. Okay, now we will see what are the chemical constituents present. So the chemical constituents are carbonic acid, which is 10%, and from the carbonic acid, carmine, that is synthetic dye, red color, that is produced. Okay, fat is 10% and wax is 2%. Now you need to keep in mind that this carbonic acid is an anthraquinone glycoside. So it is an anthraquinone glycoside, C-type glycoside. Okay, and this carmine is a synthetic dye which is actually produced by treating cochineal extract with alum and lime salts, and this cochineal extract or the carminic acid gives the deep red color when it dissolves in water, and yellow color to violet color when it dissolves in the acidic solution. So depending on the solution, it gives various type of colors. So in which purpose they are used? They are actually used as coloring agent for food dyes and other cosmetic products according to FDA, and also used in photography, industrial, ink preparation, etc. Sometimes barium sulfate is used as an adulterant with silver grain, and manganese dioxide used as adulterant with black grains. Okay, now we will see what is the chemical structure of carminic acid. So this molecule is anthraquinone molecule. Okay, and this is the glucose moiety. And this linkage actually C-type glycosidic linkage. This is the structure of carminic acid. Now we will see which type of host trees in which type of host trees they actually grow. So this species is Nopalia coccinellifera, and this species is Opuntia ficantha. These species are Dactylopius coccus, okay, or Coccus cacti. You can see here they grows in a bunch, and when they gets mature, here is two color you can see. This color is immature female insects, okay, and this color when they grows in mature stage they get the unique red color, okay. So this is the end of my lecture. If you like my video, please do like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you.